You shaped it in your mind. Total performance. Now the all-new Toyota Supra brings it alive. Super power, created by a 3-liter 24-valve, 200-horsepower engine. Super suspension, racing type, double wishbone, fully independent. Super cockpit, where you perform. The new Toyota Supra. Performance without compromise. Now the Supra dynasty begins. Who could ask for anything more?
Time for a little update. Found out that the clutch fan was leaking a little bit of fluid. It coated the hood. A lot of the engine components in the front were just kind of getting this buildup on them, and I was wondering why. And so I started looking into this more and more, and I found that it was coming from this clutch fan. So we're going to replace the clutch today. I rigged it up temporarily so that I could move the car in and out of the garage while the clutch was getting reworked. So in any case, I'm going to install it today. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Let me try to get some of this for you so you can actually see what I'm doing here. This is the residue that I was talking about here. Let's see, I can get a better look here. Got most of it wiped up. I also have a coolant leak here going on. That's a little concerning here. So I'll have to figure that out. I don't know what's going on there, if it's, I don't know what's causing that, but it's been a consistent leak. I don't know if the radiator is bad or what. It's always leaked from this side right here. Anywho, you can kind of really see it right here in this charge pipe underneath. See that gunk right there? That's the residue I was talking about. That was pretty much coated all around this radiator shroud. And as you can see, I've got most of it off. Some way up in here. Really like to know what is causing this leak here. It's just a bad connection on my pipe. I don't know, but I'm tired of cleaning it up, I'll tell you that much. The fun of doing an old car. All right, so now I'm gonna try to get this guy hooked up. All right, so I got the fan into place, and don't mind my wifey, she's cleaning the car right now. So I'm gonna try to balance this right here. You're barely gonna be able to see what I'm doing, and if it falls, it's gonna fall on my head. So we got that going on. Great. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of put in one nut at a time. Easier said than done. You almost have to imagine there being. You really have to work with your feels on this one. Put your digits up in there and just kind of feel around and okay, I got one started right here. You can see here, just got it barely on there. All right, so now these are 12 millimeter. They're oh so much fun. I've got the car jacked up right now. I'm grateful that I didn't have to take the radiator shroud off. And I could go from underneath. That's always nice. It would be really nice if I had my ratcheting wrench, but I don't think it'll actually fit over that. I could be wrong, but I get this guy tighter. Whoopsie. Really tight in here. So much fun to work on stuff in the room. Ever notice you start singing when you just can't take anymore? All right, so now I'm gonna turn this guy, or try to, so that I can get access to this other post and put a nut on that guy. What do you think about that? Of these minutes. Okay, got two more, as you can see. And then we're gonna have to tighten these, which is not fun. All right, now I'm not gonna be able to probably get a good video of this, but just imagine trying to put this on in there with your fingers. All right, I'm gonna have to change hands. A little more talented with my other. Let's see here. Okay, got that guy on. All right, I'm gonna rotate it so that I can get this other nut on. Same thing. Oh, all right, so now that's it for the fan. Just have to get it all tightened up now. I'm sure you can imagine how tightening this up is not fun, but what I'm going to do is try to keep the belt from rotating, and you know, pretty much just go as tight as I can by hand. All right, I'm going to do a start. This cold start the next day, just to let you know what the fan should sound like when you start it. So it's running a little rough, but we'll turn up the idle a little bit. You can see the fan